Hello students, this is the fourth part of our second prose, A Simple Philosophy, which is written by Siddha. So in this fourth part, we are going to learn the last paragraph on page number 7, summary of this prose. Now listen carefully. The author intend to accept the president's offer on one condition, that the land and its beast it means wild animals. Intent it means have a desire for. The author intend to accept the president's offer on one condition, that the land and its beast must be treated with respect by the white man. So, the author, Sithal, this author was ready to accept the proposal which is given by the President of America, United States of America, and for that there was one condition put by Sithal, the author, that if you it means white person, the people who live in urban area, in cities, those people must give respect to the wild animal, to the wildlife people, and to the tribes, the people who live in the forest. Then, on this condition, we can give this land to you. This was the condition of the Sithal. Sithal is hurt by the unnecessary killing of the beast, as they are important for the existence of a man. So, why was author Sithal hurt? Because the people who live in urban areas or cities, they unnecessarily killing the wild animals, beast, and every animal, every small creature is very important for human beings, for this circle of universe or environment. And every animal is important for the existence of humans. If any species of animal ends here, finish here, so that is very much harm for human life also. Whatever happens to beast also happen to man, as all the things are connected. So whatever happening with this beast, with these wild animals today, that will definitely happen with humans in the future. Why? Because everything is connected with each other on this earth, in this universe, in our environment. Next paragraph. The tribe kids it means small children. The tribal kids have seen their fathers humble. Humble it means very polite. Humble in defeat and the warriors ashamed. Warrior it means a person engaged in war. So the small children who live in a tribe in the forest, those children seen their fathers, their forefathers, who were very humble with the nature. If nature defeated them, so humbly, respectfully, they were accepting their defeat. And their fathers, the people who were living in the tribe in a small groups in the forest, those people were real warriors, and they were fighting with the white men, with the people who were living in the cities or urban areas. They spent they spent their days doing nothing but polluting their bodies with sweet food and drink. So, the people who are living in the cities, what they are doing, they are just polluting their bodies, their environment by eating only sweets, foods and drinking. They are not doing any kind of exercise, they are not saving the environment, and that is very harmful not only for them but for the next generation. After years, at the end of their existence, no one would be left to mourn. Mourn it means feel sorrow or cry on a person's death. Mourn great and powerful people like the President himself. So, if the people continue to live in this way, just concentrate on eating foods and drinking liquor, eating sweet, so at the end, everyone will finish. There will be no existence of human being on this earth. Even that person is the higher, the person who is on the highest post, or the person who is living on the lower stage of the society. No one can be alive on this earth, and there would be no one left to cry on your death, because everyone will die if you continue to rob our environment, our natural things. So, in this way, this part ends here, and we are going to stop here. Have a good day to all of you. Thank you very much.